Hi guys at Adobe. Currently I'm on the latest Photoshop versions, 32.0.1 I think. And at least the export dialog box did pop up again when trying to export some images, not as animated GIF but as MOV or MP4. And that's only 6 images here. I selected 15 frames per second and the Adobe encoder. And since 10 minutes on a super beefy MacBook Pro 2019 Intel with the Radeon 5500 Pro with 8 gigabyte of RAM, and the Mac itself has 64 gigabytes of RAM. It's an i9 Intel. This is now, this timeout wheel since 10 minutes or something like that, and nothing's going on. At least we are one step ahead, because the last 3 or 4 major releases of Photoshop, it was not possible to use the MOV export function at all. I think the last time when this has been working was Photoshop 2015 or something like that. And I'm just desperate. I can no longer use this function. I'm paying for something and I can use it. And that's super annoying. Bye guys.